Yo, if you're seeing this right now, we are officially verified on twitch.tv. I'm so grateful for all y'all watching the videos, watching the streams. Love y'all. Yeah, tap in.
Fuck. Oh my gosh. Alright. Yo, what's good, YouTube? We finna go make some glicks in the stove real quick. We finna go make some hot dogs and John. Yeah, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hi, gorgeous. Hi. Oh my god. Got these at the dollar store. You know, nothing crazy. Hot dog, classic hot dogs, all right? You see these? There's an 8-pack. Beef, of course. Made with chicken and pork? Dude, what the fuck? Fuck, dude, god damn. Weighted Tehran. Hot dog buns. Bang. All right. So we got our grill here. Beautiful. And let me go ahead and set up right here. So my mom taught me how to turn on the grill yesterday, so we're gonna go ahead and try. Bro, yo ass is not getting none. All right, let me see if I know how to work this thing. It's working, I think. Throw these on the grill right here. And now we wait. Wait, what do you mean you have to cut? Bro, I'm not cutting slits in the dog, bro. We got those bad boys cooking on the John. It's time to just chill out, okay? Blue, no. Blue. All right, so we got the John right here. And you know, we're just on some chill shit, bro. We're just on some chill shit. It's a nice day out. We got some dogs throwing on the Franklin. It's good, bro. It's good, bro. It's a good day. It's a good day, bro. It's a good day. All right, wait, how often do I have to turn them? Oh yeah, they're cooking. They're cooking. Oh, now we're cooking with gas, all right? Damn, yeah, I should have let the grill heat up first. Dude. Dude, why is it split open? We have 3 more, so if we need to restart, we can restart. This is my first time ever grilling something, so be patient with me. Be patient. Why do you hate your dog? Let's load these up. Right here. Dude, what the fuck? 1. Nah, this shit look, bro. How do I stop that? Wait, what do you mean you have to cut? Bro, I'm not cutting slits in the dog, bro. 2. All right, this is probably the one we're gonna give to the dogs. 4 and 5. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really happy with the performance. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a little bit more. My dog is not Muslim. Oh, yep. Come on now, chat. Stop playing with him. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. I'm the, bruh. Nah, that's such a vibe out here, bro. Nah, yeah, chat. Nah, it's lit out here. It's a vibe, bro. It's a vibe. Put in a partner application. We put in the partner application. 66 got unbanned. Nate Mick got 70 gifted yesterday. October's about to get something special. And Mo Shice, little brother, got his account leaked on TikTok. So Rena Pill might send him some bullshit. Overall, it's a chill day, bro. It's a chill day. It's a chill day for sure. It's a chill day. I don't know if life can get any better. Blue move. Lord, if you love me right now, you'll flip that motherfucker. You heard me?
Bang.
Why are you eating 8 hot dogs? Clearly I'm about to save some, pussy. Shut the fuck up, Colin. Dumbass boy. Dumbass boy. Dumbass boy. Fuck, where you going? Stop running. Bro, the grill isn't even on? What type of little dick ass grill is this? Bro, this is a good grill. What you mean, high my cup? This is a good grill. What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing? Should we feed one of the dogs to the dog? I'm down. All right, let's do it. Let's feed. Yeah, let's feed that one. All right, nah, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Yeah, these are halal dog, or these are not halal. Let's turn the grill up, shall we? Let's put some heat on those dogs. Nah, but yeah, bro. Nah, it's okay. This is my first time ever grilling something. I've never grilled anything in my life. You know, as I start looking for a partner in life and a wife in life, I'm gonna start after cooking to provide for my family. So this is a good start, okay? If my wife is like, Leshawn, why the fuck did I just call myself Leshawn? Sean, can you make me hot dogs? I'm like, yeah, baby. I'll just the girl right here. Hey, you like yours cooked or not cooked? And then my wife is in line with the plate. She's like, hey, bro, you ain't gotta cook them. You ain't gotta cook it no more, bro. I like my shit just like that. Nah, I'll take just like that right off the grill, you know. Nah, I'm gonna be a good husband, bro. I'm gonna be a good husband. Before I started making Ma Duke's grill, she used to boil the hot dogs. This one's done. Yeah, this one's done. No! Fuck, don't touch that. Don't touch that. Don't touch. No, dude. No. No! Do not touch that. Don't touch that. Nah. Don't. No. It might be too hot for him. All right, you want to go ahead? Go ahead, bro. Eat it. Dude, it's not halal. Dude, it's not halal. It's haram. That's haram, Blue. Hey, yo, that boy eating a glick. Hey, yo. Wait, Chad, that's haram? Blue! What the fuck?
Bro, he keeps knocking down my tripod.
Last one. All right, that one might have been a little bit more cooked. It's all good. It's all good though. Dog 1, dog 2, dog 3, dog 7. Does everyone see every single dog? I'm gonna feed the other dog. That one right there. Come on. Go on. Go on. There you go. Look at Blue. Look at Blue's. He's an asshole. He's an asshole, so he's gonna go chase after that one. What's the other dog's name? Pup. Pup. That's her name, Pup. Her real name is Violet, but we call her Pup. Now here is where the magic happens, okay? There is a perfect ratio to the hot dog, okay? Yes, I know. Wait, what's the perfect ratio? I'm trying to get my dogs right. I'll show you, okay? Don't worry, all right? I'm only gonna show you this once, okay? Always bump the ketchup. You never want any liquidy, wet Johns in your ketchup. So here we go. Shake it out a little bit. Let's throw some on the board real quick. Just see it's making sure. Nope, cause you gotta take the cap off. Brand new. Jesus Christ. Okay. Take the John off. Shake it up. Test if it's okay. It's all good to go. All right, so what you wanna do, you're gonna start at the end here, and then you're gonna zigzag, okay? It's always a zigzag. It's never a down, up, because then that's just not gonna look pretty, and your girlfriend's gonna hate you, and then you're gonna die alone and broke, okay? So, here we go. Perfect.
Bang, there you go. These look beautiful. I'm very excited to dig into these. Next thing you know, we're gonna go ahead and use the mustard, okay? It's new again, so we're gonna have to, Jesus Christ. It's new again, so let me peel this off real quick. I'm actually editing. There you go. Oh my God, don't these look amazing, dude? I know all you vapors and chat. Water, oh my God, you're so lame. I don't care. I'm a healthy individual. Yeah, my dog is Muslim. All right, gonna do a little bit something different here. You know, I just talked about trying something new. We're gonna go ahead and try dill relish, Shadow Vlasic. They didn't sponsor me, but I mean, they make some fire pickles. We're gonna put it on one dog, and we're gonna see. Let's dig in, shall we? Could have cooked them a little better, but it's okay. What do you mean, bro? You? Mustard is fire. Marshall Charlie, you can't say wallahi, I'm crying. You're not Muslim, you're 15 and from the suburbs, and you're white as fuck. Let's try the relish, dog. I've tried relish, but it was kind of mid. Let's see how it moves. This might be disgusting. Am I super ecstatic about it? No, I'm not. Blue is not confessing sins. I'm not super ecstatic about it, but it's all right. If someone put it on my hot dog accidentally, I'll be like, all right, yeah, just leave it, you know? All right. Maybe I put a little bit too much on there. We have 5 hot dogs left. I'm going strong, bro. I'm feeling strong, bro. I'm feeling great, bro. Number 3. Bro, you are not getting any. 3 more. How's it so far? How's the cooking sex so far? This shit is fire. Wait, hold on. Wait, chat, can we do a thumbnail? I need a thumbnail real quick.
If you not ball hog, then die.
I'm a eater. You should start gas. Bruh, really? Did you do this in the football locker room? No, we never had hot dogs. My coach, after every morning practice, my coach, he would have like a whole breakfast. And my line coach, he always put a special syrup. Like he had some good ass syrup. It was called a special syrup. And he put on all the pancakes, bro. The syrup was gas, bro. The syrup was gas, bro. That shit was fire. I kind of miss it. I didn't get groomed. Wait, what are you talking about? And it was, bro, it was not cum, dude. It was not cum. It was like a little, it was like tan. So he gave you cum and the other coach gave me dick. I never, bro, stop. Chat, how many have I ate so far? I think I've ate like, I think it might have been 4. Cause I have 2 left. I started with 6, yeah, all right. Oh, fuck. We have 2 more left. We have 1 more. I don't know if I could do it. Let me wash it down. I'm down to play Kukuro. We gotta get it done. Seven pussyclat, bumbleclat, eggclat glicks. Don't chew, just swallow. I'm struggling, chat. Struggling. Nah, I'm trolling. Nah, we gotta put relish on the last dog, you're right. Let's put relish on the last dog. Dude, I might actually throw up. Your tits are laying on the table? Don't clip that. Don't clip that. Don't be weird. Don't clip that. Don't be weird. Dude, Brady's gonna see that and then he's gonna be like, dude, oh my fucking god, dude. He's so fucking disgusting. Such a lame ass up. Bigger tits than some of my ex. Bro, clone up there, what the fuck? Why can you move your tits? They're called pecs, dumbass. They're called pecs. Maybe if you weren't 15 years old, you know what pecs are, okay? Look, dude, look. I'm moving my pecs. Nah, I dead just killed all those, bro. I dead just killed all those. Yo, what's good, next Flacco? Damn, next Flacco. Yo, what's up, bro? Holy shit. Holy shit. I don't have oh, I do. I do have mustard on my titties. They're called pecs. Oh my god, dude. All I want to just do is lay down. Dude, if I end, y'all have no one to watch. Y'all don't want me to end, bro. I know it, bro. Y'all don't want me to end. That's okay, bro. Y'all don't want me to end.
Bro, what did you do to my dog? What did you do to my dog? Mashallah. Aww. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's so cute. He's actually human though. Wait, you want this as the background?
Don't hesitate. My time is now. My diamonds shine flash from the cameras, from the crowd. It took me some time to find who I was, but I know it now.